Well, hello there, instant noodle lovers. Did you know that noodles used to be sold as a luxury item before it became a budget-friendly takeaway option? And do you know that noodles are one of the cheapest meals to eat? It would only cost you about less than $150 a year if you ate a pack of noodles every single day. No wonder we're always talking about noodles. Instant noodles. Be sure that when you're purchasing those instant noodles at the shops, please read those nutrition labels. Compare the nutritional content of different products and choose the ones that are lower in sodium, lower in total fat, and saturated fat. In addition to this, why not choose instant noodles that have not been deep fried to still reduce that total fat and saturated fat intake? I'll talk to you about examples of noodles like this later so that you can buy, well, a little bit healthier. How many times, guys? Hi, I'm Dr. Hadiza Merlia Suleiman, the creator of TMIC. If you like this video, subscribe and click on the link below the video for your free Don't Get Sick checklist. How many times, guys, have we prepared 2 or more standard packets of noodles for ourselves? I'm sure loads of times. When next you're preparing those instant noodles, why not just take 1 standard pack of instant noodles? Please, not that giant pack of noodles, which is sure to not only make you consume more salt and other unhealthy substances contained in that pack, but also these substances are sure to make you fatter. When preparing your meal of instant noodles, why not reduce the use of seasoning? I mean, this kind of seasoning includes even the soup powder, the seasoning oil, and the sauce, which commonly comes together with a noodle packet. It's better for you to add herbs and spices to the noodles, preferably fresh ones, like thyme, like parsley, rather than that extra seasoning like soy sauce or stock cubes, Maggi cubes, or the seasoning in that packet. Have you ever tried eating your noodles with baked tofu instead of chicken or beef? Or even egg? It's lovely and it will make you even fuller for longer. Don't forget that soya beans, which is contained in the tofu, are extremely high in protein as well. And if you're a lover of pot noodle soup, when you're consuming that soup noodle, why not drink less of the soup, please? If time and circumstances allow, why not make a bowl of low-fat, low-sodium, and nutritionally balanced noodles using just plain noodles that have not been deep-fried nor seasoned? Yes, I know I promised you examples of these. So prepare your noodle meal with these low-fat, low-sodium options. These noodles that are nutritionally balanced, those plain noodles that haven't been deep fried, that haven't been seasoned, like, please listen carefully, the udon, the rice vermicelli, and the macaroni. Also, while preparing those instant noodles, if you add some fresh vegetables, some lean meat slices, take note, not meat that has a lot of fat on it, and I'll repeat again, very little seasoning, that will make your noodle meal a whole lot healthier. Did you know that according to the World Health Organization, WHO, at least 30% of all cancers in this world could be prevented through simple measures such as adopting a healthier diet? I mean, this is why we're talking about how to make even your noodles healthier today, because we know that we eat noodles quite a lot these days. For the sake of our health, we consumers should opt for more wholesome food. Although purposely fortification of noodles with greater nutritive constituents may help noodles to carry much more nutrition in the pack, there's a greater need, don't you think, to divert the attention of people that there are healthier and more natural sources of good and fast food other than instant noodles? So by switching our eating habits from our common staple foods in our various countries, ranging from rice to a vast array of wholesome foods, to fast and ultra processed foods, we are just collecting a bunch guys, of health and environmental hazards. There are so many and many more scientific studies still being carried out today that are discovering all the benefits of healthy eating so that people can be convinced to stay healthy with better and good food. Be sure to click on the link below this video for your vital Don't Get Sick checklist and watch this instant noodle playlist. Subscribe to TMIC and I'll see you again later.